Hi, this is Larry Kaplan from MarineMax Brick. We have here a recent trade-in of a 2025 Cruisers 34 GLS with the outboards. This boat is actually one of the most optioned boats out there with its twin 400 V10 Mercury outboard engines. This boat also has a Seakeeper. It's the only one in the market currently with the Seakeeper. Going forward, we have a rear bench with a backrest that folds back in order to create a larger sun pad. Remote stereo, Rockford Fosgate, along with speakers throughout the boat. We also have a Reverso engine flush kit installed on this boat to make keeping your engines clean in a very quick and easy manner. And then going forward on the port side, you have your rear-facing seat, along with where your shore power and dockside connections are. Shower sprayer over on the port side as well. Spray yourself off when you come in out of the water. As we go forward, you have wet bar with grill. And here's your sink. Nice size refrigerator for the cockpit here. And then some additional storage below. One other great feature of this boat is the shore shade. This shore shade extends from the back of the hardtop all the way out over the outboard engines. There's also a manually installed bow shade that goes up with a few poles up there and a nice sailcloth. Going forward, you have beautiful seating for nice conversation area with your two high gloss tables with the cup holders built in. Very nice seating off to the starboard side. Great seating off to the port side. You do have 110-volt electrical connection here at the wet bar. So if you wanted to run a blender or something else, it's available. In the cockpit, we have SeaDeck throughout. Here at the helm, we have also a drawer-style refrigerator. That's one of the greatest options I've ever seen. Person never has to leave the helm in order to get something that's nice and cold to drink. Starboard, your helm seat, double wide. Your twin Simrad screens. All of your halo switches. Your Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Simrad VHF radio. Your ignition keys. Going all the way to the right is your joystick, which is for joystick piloting. So it has your skyhook as well as your autopilot features. Your twin binnacle throttle and shift controls. And your trim tab indicators. Come on down into the cabin so we can check out down below. Welcome below. Here forward in the cabin space is a convertible dinette, television, two speakers. You have a refrigerator that's off to the port side. On the starboard side here, you have your electric panel with your controls for your dockside electric, as well as all your 12-volt accessories on board. With flipping down this backrest, it covers the electric panel. No one even knows it's there. Here in the head, we have a wand shower that you can easily hang on the aft bulkhead of the head compartment. And as we go down, you'll see the nice countertops with storage below, nice built-in sink, and then going down to the Dometic vacuum flush head. Coming through the port side windshield walkthrough to going to the bow, you have some storage compartments along the gunnels here. You do have a wind dam that you could close along with the windshield in order to keep the wind from coming back into the main cockpit area. As we go forward, you've got great seating, nice, deep in the hull, so that people feel secure and safe while they're running the boat up here. You've got your Rockford Fosgate stereo remote unit up here. Seating for 3 with lounge type seating along the starboard side. Couple seats that while you're anchored or at dock, you can sit there facing aft and have a nice conversation area. We do have a table in the center of the bow that can raise, so you're not using it with a filler cushion. You're now entertaining and having dinner or desserts up here. Going forward, you have your windlass, which is automatic both from the helm as from the bow of the boat. And that's all for your 34 GLS outboard. This is Larry Kaplan from MarineMax Brick. Let's see you out on the water.